make orange, huh?
You made orange? What are you making now?
You make orange.
You made orange.
Okay, now I'll go find yellow. Cool, you go find family. Can you?
Red. Paint it orange.
Yeah.
Color orange.
You gotta just pop it up. There you go.
Orange.
You don't choose. Hunter, what are you thinking?
I'm second. Second.
Okay, cover it up good.
Second.
Let me see. What'd you make?
An orange. I poured red. I poured red. I poured red.
Okay, my favorite colors.
What's your favorite color?
Color green.
Yes, I am Hunter. Now go find green.
It already has green. What are you doing?
Just go.
Can't use faucet water. We have to use the free refrigerator water. That's a lot of green. What happens if you put blue in that? Does it do anything? Good job. Look at me. Good job.
Cheese.